Interface overload. Beginner penalty.
Most books and most videos want to cover way too much in too short of a period of time. So if you look at some of the books, they're going to teach you from beginner to advanced in 100 pages or so. That is not realistic. If you're a beginner and you really want to learn Excel, my method of teaching, my book that I'm going to link below, is for beginners. It is step by step. And what I mean by step, it is truly step by step with 250 illustrations. Every lesson in full color so you can work along with your computer in Excel. Also, I'm going to be giving some of the lessons out of this book in the next coming videos. I know that you're going to learn. I know that my method is tried and true in the classroom because it's proven. And I know that I can teach you Excel because I've been doing this for 20 plus years, college classroom.